Kay here, and in this video, we're going to talk about how to get cash fast. So I've been actually working on a project, really a solution to this problem. Because you know what? With me being out here on YouTube, having many training videos and helping people, really create a system online, what I found is one of the number one question I get from folks is, you know what? They want to have a way to make cash fast. So, over the last couple of months, I've really been giving a lot of thought to this and trying to come up with a solution to this problem because I see this to be a need that a lot of people have, right? You don't have time to wait around and wait till a marketing system starts up and going and getting you kind of in a routine that you're marketing online and getting results in your business. You kind of want an infusion of cash right now into your life so you could really start doing some serious things. And then you know what? You could definitely come back to a business that you love. So what I got is something that I've been working on, a project, really a solution to that problem of really how can someone get cash fast infused into their life. So how do you make some cash fast, right? I mean, that's probably one of the questions you have, and that's why you're on the internet. That's why you're looking at different things and trying to find a way of how to do that. Now, I got something that I've been working on, a solution to that thing, but it is. This is by invitation only. Reason being, you know what? I just don't want anyone joining with me on this, partnering with me on this, because you know what? I want serious people who are serious about getting cash into their life right now. And I don't want people, sending me emails, calling me, and wasting, in a sense, my time and their time having a conversation about something that, you know what, they're really not serious about. So what I'm going to do is limit this by invitation only. And this is how I do it. There is no selling to this. There's no telling. There's no convincing. So I won't be selling you anything. I won't be telling you anything. And I won't be convincing you of anything. In fact, what I'm gonna do is really just show you a system of how you can make some cash fast. And like I mentioned, no selling, no telling, no convincing. You won't get any of that from me because you know what? I'm not even going to present this information to you. You're going to see this information. It makes sense to you. It does. If it doesn't make sense to you, it just doesn't. Right? Fair enough? I mean, that's the thing. So let me show you what I need you to do and what kind of information you'll get back from me. Um, there's a link below this video, and when you click that link below the video, you're going to get to a page that looks something like this. And actually, this is the actual page I'm going to send you to. And this is exactly what you're going to see on the page. If this resonates to you, what you want to do is scroll down and put your first name, right? Your first name, literally your first name, and your email address. What's going to happen is that's going to come directly to me. So you're not being added to any autoresponder. You're not going to get an autoresponder message. You're actually going to get a personal message from me telling you how you can make cash fast. And then you get to make a decision, right? Either you want to make cash fast or you don't. And that's the only decision, you can make because I won't be calling you, sending you emails, following up and say, hey, the thing is you see it, it makes sense to you, then get back to me. So here's what I need you to do. Below this video, there will be a link that will get you to this page. You want to click that link if you seriously are interested in knowing how to make cash fast. I definitely have a solution for you right here. I'm going to give you all the information. You get to make a decision in the comfort of your own home. No pressure, no one there in your ear. You make that decision to get an infusion of cash into your life right now. So what you want to do if you're serious about, getting some fast cash into your life is to click the link below in the description box. Send me your name and your email. I'll definitely get you back some information. You could review it at your leisure. When you're ready, makes sense to you, definitely send me back an email and then we can start the process for you.